Great post, Casey. I really like how you say when you get home, you don't jump right on your computer, jump right on Facebook, because you want to set a good example for your kids. I think that's great. And me being a father, I think that I definitely should do that as well. I don't get home and just jump on my computer, but there are times where I pick my daughter up from school and I get home and I got to answer some emails and check on things and make some phone calls. But for the most part, I think that I try to stay disconnected as well. I know in response to you, Matt, Facebook, I think that overall, kind of like you said, Matt, is Facebook you viewed as a good thing. And I think it is, for the most part, a positive way to communicate. One thing I can say is with the recent election, I found myself not wanting to get on Facebook because of just all the negative posts and people complaining and protest and things like that. So I kind of try to stay off Facebook around those times, or I unfollow a lot of people. There's a lot of people that I've unfollowed over the years because I just got tired of seeing their negative posts and their negative outlook, and I found that it's just easy to unfollow them. And unfortunately, you can't really unfollow people on Instagram without them knowing, but I got to the point where I didn't care. I just unfollowed them, and if they got their feelings hurt, they got their feelings hurt. So Facebook for me, like you, Matt, I don't really get on there and post a lot, but I like to see what other people are doing. I do have a business that I own, so I think that marketing, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, they're free. I don't have to pay to do posts, and I can reach a vast audience and get my message out there. So I think that it's great for small businesses. It's great for people to connect with family over long distances, and as long as you don't post too many negative things, hopefully you don't get unfollowed. So great post, Casey and Matt, and that's all I got.